To improve the water quality in your home, start by testing your water for contaminants like heavy metals, bacteria, and nitrates. Regular testing is crucial for detecting health risks and guiding necessary improvements. Installing water filtration systems can help remove harmful contaminants, reducing the risk of waterborne illnesses. Maintain your water heater by flushing the tank, setting the thermostat optimally, and inspecting the anode rod to ensure efficiency and longevity. Consider using water softeners to reduce calcium and magnesium levels, which can prolong appliance life and improve efficiency. Remember to regularly replace filters to protect against bacteria contamination and ensure consistent water safety. Address lead pipe issues by checking for lead pipes, conducting certified lab tests, and using certified filters to reduce lead exposure risks.